Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Aiyana and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've never seen my face before. So it's January 28th, hence the hoodie. If you didn't know, it's J. Cole's birthday. I don't know, I have a thing for J. Cole because we're from the same city and it's just small, so to see someone from your city make it, it's crazy. In today's video, I kind of wanted to talk about what to expect from me this year. If you haven't watched my New Year's video, I would suggest you do. I'll leave it in the cards up here or up here. Still haven't figured it out. In that video, I stated that I wanted to upload a video every single week this year. So far, so good. A video every week this year. What that consists of really depends on you guys. Because I've noticed that last year all my videos were kind of like scattered and they really didn't have a focus, so I kind of want to focus in on what my channel is about. What I personally want to start doing are like DIYs and particularly like home decor videos, because as you know, I graduated with my bachelor's in interior design, so I kind of want to share that information with you guys and hopefully you will be able to take something away. Just, you know, getting some like new ideas for, you know, how to spice up your space. Ooh, that's a good series name. Also, I want to do more fashion videos. I've definitely in the past year have been struggling financially, so I haven't really been able to like shop for videos, and not necessarily like go shopping specifically because I need to make a video. No, that's not the case. I do, you know, want to make like seasonal like lookbooks and hauls and things like that, because my hauls actually do really well on my channel, like way better than a lot of my other videos do. So I feel like you guys like seeing hauls, so I want to start doing more hauls. I just need the money to be able to haul. I want to do more makeup videos. I do love doing makeup. My thing is the way that my apartment's set up, I don't really have a space to film makeup videos, but I'm gonna try to figure that out ASAP so I can start making that a thing on my channel. And I also still want to do like my girl talk videos, like advice and things like that, because I don't know, I just really like talking about things like that. I feel like those are real life situations that we have to deal with, whether you're a girl or a boy or whatever. If you have any particular thing that you want to see from me and any of those topics, please let me know in the comments down below, because I would be happy to film those for you. But yeah, those are some of the things that I really want to hone in on my channel this 2018. Another thing I want to talk about and I'm really upset about is that I recently got an email on my Gmail account regarding my YouTube channel and how I'm getting demonetized starting February. I don't know, I forgot what date, February 20th or something like that. It just made me really upset. Like, just because you don't have a certain subscriber count or watch time, I feel like it shouldn't make a difference on if we're monetized or not. It just doesn't make sense for you to completely take away the ability to even be monetized just because of your subscriber count. So I'm getting my monetization taken away until further notice, until I get my subscribers, and also my YouTube partnership is bye. So I'm really upset and like really sad and like discouraged. Frankly, I'm just discouraged. I'm gonna continue to make videos because this is something that I like doing, but it's just, like I said, comment below what you guys want to see from me this coming year. I'm really excited to start making videos for you guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, turn on that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. I actually don't know exactly what day I want to upload still. I'm going between like 2 or 3 days during the week, which is like half the week, but it's okay. Follow me on all my social media. I'll have it listed down below and at the end link at the end of this video. I think that's it, so I will see you guys next week.